So tonight's video is on the VicRoads registration application. It's probably the same on your license, so you might want to have a look at it. So let me read a little bit of the shit fuckery out for you. Here we go. Personal information VicRoads collects from you may be, and there's the contract, may be used by VicRoads, even by just crossing that one word out, maybe, sorts them all out. May be used by VicRoads as permitted by the Road Safety Act 1986 and the Marine Safety Act of 1986. This includes disclosing information to contractors and agents of VicRoads, law enforcement agencies, whatever that is, other road and traffic authorities, Roads, the Transport Safety Commission, vehicle manufacturers, road safety researchers, courts, and other organizations. So that can be just about anyone, or people authorized to use personal information. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? So basically, you go into VicRoads, you go and fill out a document called a vehicle registration application, whatever it's called, and then you violate one of your rights, which is the right of privacy. And you couldn't even be bothered reading all the little fine print down the bottom. So there is additional information that also, by signing this, you acknowledge that whatever it is that they can use that information, personal information, and you also acknowledge about being responsible. And responsible is to pay for. So you can cross out, like my nephew, he basically crossed all that section out. What I did, I signed mine with my two names that my parents gave me, put an asterisk at the end of the name, and under that I wrote all rights reserved. Then I took it up with the VicRoads privacy officer. I got an email back in regard to a bit of shit fuckery that under the Act they've got the authority to do this, and under the Act they've got authority to do that. Well, that's fine. They've got authority, but that still doesn't give them authority over you. So unless they can provide the authority that they have over you, or the signed instrument that you have agreed to waive your right of privacy and or your right of travel, whatever, then that's a different story. So go check out your documents, get copies from VicRoads if you have to, re-register your car, and that will stop a lot of issues coming to your home, a lot of contracts. So after that, you should not get any parking tickets, you should not get any speeding fines. If you want to hand your license over to a pigtard, that's your choice. But I wouldn't if I was you. I'd be saying, oh, I left it at home, whatever. You've got the right of privacy. Don't let these corporations deceive you. Victoria Police has only been in Victoria for about 40 years. So I'm sure, at my age, I'm 48. So how in that 40 years did they gain a higher authority than me when I've actually been live longer than commercial fiction? So, alright, cheers people, go do your research. Bye.